Monaco, the glamorous principality on the French Riviera, is renowned for its luxury, stunning Mediterranean views, and world-class attractions. Despite its small size, Monaco offers a wealth of experiences, from the opulent Monte Carlo Casino, where you can try your luck, to the historic Prince's Palace, the residence of the ruling Grimaldi family. Here are top 10 famous must-visit destinations. Prince's Palace of Monaco. Dominating the Monaco skyline, the Prince's Palace is an iconic symbol of the principality. Originally a fortified castle, it has evolved over centuries into a luxurious residence for the Grimaldi family, Monaco's reigning dynasty. Its strategic hilltop location offers breathtaking panoramic views of the Mediterranean Sea, the port of Monaco, and the sprawling cityscape below. Visitors can embark on a journey through time as they explore the palace's state apartments, adorned with opulent furnishings, intricate frescoes, and a captivating collection of artworks. The throne room, with its ornate decor and regal ambience, provides a glimpse into the grandeur of royal life. The palace's chapel, dedicated to St. Charles Borromeo, is a place of serene beauty and spiritual reflection. Beyond its historical significance, the palace is a living testament to the enduring legacy of the Grimaldi family. The changing of the guard ceremony, a daily spectacle featuring the palace's carabinieri guards, is a popular attraction for tourists. Oceanographic Museum of Monaco. Perched on the cliffs of Monaco, the Oceanographic Museum is a testament to humanity's fascination with the ocean. Founded by Prince Albert I, a renowned oceanographer, the museum is a treasure trove of marine life and scientific discovery. Its iconic architecture, inspired by a ship's hull, blends seamlessly with the surrounding cliffs. Inside, visitors embark on an underwater adventure, exploring the museum's vast collection of marine species. From the awe-inspiring shark lagoon to the delicate jellyfish exhibit, the museum offers a captivating glimpse into the ocean's diverse ecosystems. Interactive displays and educational exhibits make it a fascinating experience for both adults and children. The museum's commitment to marine conservation shines through in its efforts to raise awareness about ocean health and the importance of protecting marine life. A visit to the Oceanographic Museum is not just a tour, it's an immersive journey into the depths of our planet's oceans. Monte Carlo Casino. The Monte Carlo Casino stands as an iconic symbol of the French Riviera's glamorous lifestyle. Its opulent architecture, adorned with ornate details and lavish interiors, is a testament to the region's reputation for luxury and refinement. Beyond its gambling halls, the casino is a destination in its own right, offering visitors a glimpse into a world of unparalleled opulence. Step inside the Grand Salon, a breathtaking space with soaring ceilings and intricate frescoes, and imagine the high-stakes games that have unfolded within its walls. While the casino's gaming tables are undoubtedly a draw for many, the surrounding gardens, with their lush greenery and serene atmosphere, offer a welcome respite from the excitement of the gambling floor. The casino's location on the glamorous Place du Casino adds to its allure, with upscale boutiques, renowned restaurants, and luxurious hotels within easy reach. Whether you're a seasoned gambler or simply seeking a taste of the high life, the Monte Carlo Casino is an essential stop on any visit to Monaco. Japanese Garden. A tranquil haven amidst the bustling principality, the Japanese Garden offers a serene escape into a world of harmony and balance. Meticulously designed in the spirit of Zen, this oasis features a harmonious blend of water, stone, and vegetation. A cascading waterfall, a serene pond adorned with koi carp, and a traditional tea house create a serene ambience. The garden's meticulous attention to detail, from the carefully placed rocks to the pruned bonsai trees, invites visitors to slow down and appreciate the beauty of nature. Beyond its aesthetic appeal, the Japanese Garden offers a cultural experience, providing insights into the philosophy and aesthetics of Japan. As you stroll through the garden, you'll discover hidden corners, bridges, and lanterns, each element thoughtfully placed to evoke a sense of tranquility and contemplation. Whether seeking a moment of peace or a deeper connection with nature, the Japanese Garden in Monaco is a must-visit destination. Larvotto Beach. Larvotto Beach is the quintessential embodiment of the Monaco lifestyle, a sun-kissed stretch of coastline where opulence meets relaxation. This man-made marvel, composed of imported fine gravel, offers a unique beach experience with crystal-clear waters and a vibrant atmosphere. The beach is a harmonious blend of public and private areas, catering to diverse preferences. While the public sections invite sunbathers to relax on their towels, the private beach clubs offer luxurious amenities, including loungers, umbrellas, and attentive service. Beyond sunbathing and swimming, Larvado Beach provides a range of activities. Water sports enthusiasts can enjoy paddleboarding, kayaking, or jet skiing. For those seeking a more leisurely pace, the beachside promenade offers opportunities for strolling, people watching, and indulging in the delectable cuisine of the many restaurants and cafes lining the shore. As the day fades into evening, the beach transforms into a glamorous hotspot, with beach clubs hosting lively events and parties. Larvado Beach is more than just a seaside destination, it's an iconic symbol of the Monaco experience. Cathedral of Monaco. Dominating the skyline of Monaco-Ville, the Cathedral of St. Nicholas is a spiritual and architectural cornerstone of the Principality. This neo-Romanesque masterpiece, with its imposing facade and twin bell towers, stands as a testament to the enduring faith of the Monegasque people. Its interior, bathed in the soft glow filtering through stained glass windows, invites contemplation and reflection. The cathedral holds a special place in the hearts of Monegasques as the site of significant royal events, including baptisms and weddings of the Grimaldi family. The Grimaldi Chapel, located within the cathedral, is a particularly poignant space, adorned with the tombs of several members of the ruling dynasty. Visitors can explore the cathedral's nave, admire its ornate altar, and experience the serene atmosphere that permeates the space. Beyond its religious significance, the Cathedral of Monaco is a cultural and historical treasure. Its location in the heart of the Old Town offers a unique opportunity to combine a visit to this spiritual sanctuary with a stroll through the charming narrow streets of Monaco-Ville. Exotic Garden. Perched dramatically on a cliff overlooking the Mediterranean Sea, Monaco's exotic garden is a testament to nature's resilience and human ingenuity. This botanical marvel showcases a captivating collection of succulent and exotic plants from arid regions around the world, thriving against the backdrop of the Principality's iconic coastline. As visitors ascend the garden's terraced pathways, they are greeted by a breathtaking panorama of the Mediterranean Sea, while simultaneously immersing themselves in a world of extraordinary flora. Towering cacti, fleshy aloes, and other succulent species stand as silent sentinels, their unique shapes and textures creating a visually striking tapestry. The garden's design cleverly integrates the natural rock formations, enhancing the dramatic and surreal atmosphere. A highlight of the exotic garden is the prehistoric cave, a hidden gem adorned with stunning stalactite formations. This natural wonder offers a glimpse into the geological history of the region and adds an extra layer of intrigue to the visitor experience. Port Hercules. Port Hercules is the heart of Monaco's glamorous lifestyle, a dazzling display of wealth and maritime luxury. This iconic harbor is home to a dazzling array of superyachts, each more impressive than the last. The sheer size and opulence of these floating palaces are a testament to the Principality's reputation as a playground for the rich and famous. Beyond the yachts, Port Hercules offers a vibrant atmosphere, with upscale boutiques, gourmet restaurants, and lively bars lining its waterfront. The Monaco Yacht Club, a striking architectural landmark, stands as a symbol of the Principality's maritime heritage. As the sun sets, casting a golden glow on the harbor, the scene transforms into a magical spectacle, with the yachts illuminated against the night sky. A stroll along the port offers a glimpse into a world of unparalleled luxury and sophistication, making it an essential stop for any visitor to Monaco. Old Town. Monaco-Ville, the historic heart of the Principality, is a captivating labyrinth of narrow, cobbled streets that transport visitors back to a bygone era. This fortified enclave, perched on a rocky promontory, offers a fascinating contrast to the modern glamour of Monte Carlo. As you wander through the maze-like alleyways, you'll discover hidden squares, charming boutiques, and historical landmarks that reveal the rich tapestry of Monaco's past.